Hello everyone. Today we are going to review one of the grocery app in Malaysia. It's Minimart. So go to the Play Store. You see the app Minimart and you just open it after you install, right? So what's special about Minimart, right? So during this lockdown, we use multiple apps like Foodpanda, Grab. Mainly if you want to order food or if you want to order grocery, we have multiple options. Same way Minimart is providing such services. So what's special about Minimart is what I felt is I can find shops and restaurants more of Indian choices. If you take AP Bhavan or EM stores, Dairy Fresh, if you take Lulu Mart, you can find a lot of Indian items there. So people who recently migrate or expat workers can check out here and they can find a lot of options here. Normally in other providers you don't find that much options, so it is quite useful for me. So just want to give you a review on that. So let's go over any one of the shop. Let's take stores. Stores, of course quite popular here, especially in the Brickfields area. Impressive factor here is the search option. The shops like store will be having a lot of products. You cannot keep scrolling down and go there, view all. There you can see the category. So if I want to focus on vegetables or if I want a milk or rice, you have categories. You can just go over to that and okay, for oil I want to order this, come back. I am looking for spices. Okay, yeah, in spices, yes, I want turmeric powder, kitchen. Okay, so once you've done it, you go to the cart, you see a lot of items. One more good thing in Minimart is they are not enforcing the online payment. So once you do the checkout here, after you confirm the address, the order will be confirmed. So the thing is, you can directly pay to the representative through cash, or you can make an online payment. Sometimes if you don't have cash, you can check with the representative and they will be providing the option for online transfer. So likewise, during the checkout, you always check use vouchers here. It depends on the shop. Sometimes stores, if they give voucher, if you go to the store shop and if you buy something, you can check the voucher. If it is available, you can pick it. So you just want to check in common, you can go to the account and see the voucher tab, right? If you click here, so you can see the voucher, right? Daily Fresh, they are giving like RM10. So used before 2410. Yeah, it's still active. I can use it. And for the people who are very calculative in buying items, right? For puja or monthly groceries, they can check in multiple shops. They can go for any one shop, say Chris Mini Market, and see the items prices. If you feel it is very high, oh okay, I'll change the shop, I'll go to some other, check for Lulu Cap Square. If you go there, you compare the prices. If you found it less, you can anyways order it. Then apart from that, you have a history tab and you can see all the items here. And for contact us, since Minimart is a startup and evolving, the customer service is very good. So whenever you find problems, you can reach to the technical team or the support team from Minimart. They are quick in answering the questions. So recently I had a tough experience. I ordered something, it's getting delayed, and directly contacted them. They sort out the issue immediately, and so they are quite fast. Since they are keep on evolving, they are understanding and gathering what customers are facing the issues, and they are responsive. That is also I liked it. I'll give you more updates down the line. Keep using it. Apart from other apps, whichever you're using, you keep using Minimart as well.